What's up, kids? Technical. I'm back again with another video. As you can see today, I have a case from Torres. This is from their Upro case line. They were kind enough to send me out a case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So now we have the Torres Ostand shield. So pretty much we're just going to open this up and I'm going to review it and let you know my thoughts about it. And I will drop a link in the description, so don't worry about that. So this is the case. When you get it out of the box, this is what it looks like so far. It's black with clear outlines. Here's my iPhone 15 Pro Max. We're going to place this in like so. It fits just like that. You do get some lip protection, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go. No problems, no problem at all. Then you get access to your power button. Nice clicky. I don't know how well you can hear that, but it is nice and clicky. Down at the bottom here, you do get access for all of your speakers and your USB-C charging cable. Over here on this side, you get your action button. This is nice and clicky. You get your volume up and down button, which is also nice and clicky, no problem. Then on the back here, you do get a nice cutout for the camera. So if you place it flat down on the table, you should be good to go, no problems. Then you also get your MagSafe capability, but it also doubles as a kickstand, so you can use it in this view, or you can turn around and use it in this view. So now let's test out the charging. So this says it is MagSafe capable, so I'm going to place my MagSafe charger. As you can see, it charges with no problem. Now don't worry if you do not have a MagSafe capable charger. You should be able to wirelessly charge this regularly. It's not picking it up, but if you can, oh, there you go. So yes, you can wireless charge it regularly if you do not have the MagSafe capable charger. But if you also don't have a wireless charger at all, then you can come over with your USB Type-C cable and you can plug it in just like so. No problems. It fits right in. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about taking the case off in order for this to fit, because it will work just like that. And it does say Torres up here, if you can see that. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case, and I hope you found this video helpful. And in the link, and I'll catch you back in the next video. I'm out.